Presco Polymers is a plastics manufacturing company headquartered in Sherman, Texas. We've been in Sherman for over 25 years. We produce vinyl for a variety of industries. We try to make our employees' lives better outside the plant and in the plant. One of the ways we do this is we have constant training programs. When people are learning, they make better employees. So Presco was fortunate recently to make a donation to the Advanced Manufacturing Program, and it's a partnership with the local school district to train people for manufacturing jobs in companies just like Presco. It's going to give them skills to realize that there are good paying jobs without a college degree, and they're going to come out of high school trained and ready to go to work in our plant, be on a path to success and continued education. One of the great things Presco enjoys of being based here in Sherman is there's a strong sense of community. We find that we have many employees that are husband and wife teams, sons and daughters. People really embrace that community spirit here in Sherman, and it produces a loyalty in employees that I don't think you find everywhere. Presco's been in Sherman since 1989. We had a very attractive relocation package when we originally relocated, but since then we've had a tremendous working relationship with Sedco. They could not be easier to work with than they are. They're flexible, they address our needs, have been a partnership with us, helping us support capital investment, employee training programs, and it's been a great relationship. We don't get caught up in a lot of red tape when we're dealing with Sedco. We have an issue, we bring it to them, we have a conversation, and it's addressed. The company needs to have a higher purpose than just making money. That's why I get up every day and think about Presco, and I think about how we can make our employees' lives better.